2022 Kia. We're going to remove the air filter. We open the hood from here, and the hood we open it from this, and we open the hood. So the air filter is here. So just pull out, remove the cover, and we unlock it. Pull this down and pull this one down, and just remove the filter. Okay, we got a new one here from Napa. Okay, so just make sure it's the same size. Okay, alrighty, so make sure those work perfectly. So let's reinstall the air filter. We lock, and this one too. All right, so now it is locked. Make sure it's on place, and just we put a cover. Okay, make sure you hear like a click, and when finish installing the filter, the last thing to do is to close the hood. All right, guys, thank you.